out of here when we push it on top this summer. Pop the clutch and let it go. Nobody gonna stop us. Well, nobody gonna ever know. They said, hey there, mister, won't you just give another man a helping hand?
What's up, everybody? Back here in the back of the GMC, we're gonna put in a 12-volt fan that we can run off of the batteries in case we're somewhere we need to move some air but don't really need the AC. And right here in this hole is where a light like this one is. I've already took it out of there. And then also up here, GMC did pretty good. They have this little electric chase and this one. The long one covers up this one, and then this round one right here goes right here and covers up the light fixture and attaches to the wall right here. And they also have a panel in the bottom of the cabinet right here. Make sure y'all can see. So, and it just screws right here to these little braces, and then the wires can go down and underneath this little panel, this access panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole right here and tie in to the 12 volt that goes to this light, and it's going to come right up through that electric chase and right out this hole. And then I'm going to mount the 12 volt fan right there. So I'm going to mount it just like this. Move some air back here. It'll be up and out of the way. Nobody will be hitting their head on it. The switch will be facing down where it'll be easy to reach up and turn it on and off. Yeah. I may end up putting another one on that side, depending on how well this one works out. We'll see. Alright guys, the 12 volt fan project is underway. Later. What's up, everybody? Well, we're back in here with the 12 volt fan, and here we are. Ceiling fan in the bedroom. And I was able to tuck everything behind those two wire covers. Alright guys, catch you later. What's up guys? Got the bed out. Gonna tackle the water system. Got the platform raised up, you can see. Now I just gotta pull this out and get back with you. Got the bed off and top up and tank exposed, and I put a couple gallons in there and it primed up. Let's turn this bad boy on right here. Turn this on right here. There you go, pressured up, no leaks. I like this. I found out the hose runs inside of there, so this is like a safety. I don't know if you probably can't see it, but inside there is a white hose. That was pretty cool. I like backups of backups. Also, did a check of the propane. Got that good to go. Beautiful. Knocking it out one by one. All right, later guys.